Okay, I am noticing that for a lot of the assignments, many of the kids are submitting multiple entries. So I wanted to show you guys exactly how to submit multiple pictures under one assignment. So for example, I'm seeing here the math 128 My Math. I would just go to add response. Only your child's name is going to pop up. And I'm going to click drawing. From here, you have the option to go in and take a picture. So you would do that. Right now I'm using the camera for this. So when you guys have it here, you'll take a picture using that. And then you're going to go over here. You're going to add a page for that second picture. So I know a lot of you guys have multiple math pages that you need to submit. This is how you're going to get multiple pages under one submission. This will help me keep track of which assignment you guys are submitting that work for, and I won't have to try to zoom in and try and read what problems they're doing or the page numbers. It's going to keep it under that 128 My Math assignment. Once you guys are done taking all of the pictures on here, you'll click the green check mark and it will upload for me. If you have any questions about submitting on Seesaw, please reach out to me. I am here to help you guys. I hope you have a great rest of the day.